Hey YouTubers, Gizzy Greenfingers here, and this is my Brazilian rain tree. What we're in August. Come December it will be 2 years old from a seed, and come September, October time it's gonna have to go indoors because it's a tropical tree, a rare tree as well. But I've got it in a thick pot here, and if it's going to fit in my tropical tree setup, which hasn't got much more space than sort of that really, I want to get this in a shallower pot like that. It is slightly shallower. I haven't got the lip, so it is slightly shallower. Now I don't want to take any of the roots off if I can help it, because this tree has just been splendid, and as you can see it's just shooting out of every orifice. It just loves growing. It just loves it. I'm getting so much enjoyment of watching how quickly it actually does grow. Look at that girth on that trunk. It's great, isn't it? It's great. Right, we'll get you on a tripod. We'll get rid of that. And to be honest, the compost I've got it in, well, we'll see what it looks like when it comes out, but I sort of want to reuse it because it loves it. It absolutely loves it. But we'll get you on a tripod and we'll go from there, YouTubers. So we'll take that off. I'm going to zoom you in a little. It's been a hot one today, ladies and gentlemen. It's been like 34. In England, that's like hot. You know what I mean? We're not built for that sort of temp. Working out in it every bloody day. But it's good. It gives you a nice tan. Right. So I'm just gonna. Oh no, I can't do that. That's right in there. That is. Right. So what have I got in my bag of tools? Hooky is a good thing. So I don't want to try pulling it out and damaging it at the same time. Oh, what are you off? What are you off? Yeah, I don't want to do that. So if I watered it because I just got back from work, and like I said, it's been like highs of 34. I probably expect if I put the news on, it'd be, oh yes, England was highs of 34 today. Tuesday the 12th of August. Right, I think that should be enough to, yeah, no, see that, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get you to the nice bit. That's like the front. We take the right out. Oh, she needs some dirt done to her. We got a big root there that I don't like. I don't like that. We've got several. She root bound. And Brazilian rain trees, they don't like their roots mucked about with. I'm gonna muck about with some of them, not a lot. These long ones, but look at that root structure. Oh, I've got messy hands. I'll try and zoom in a little bit more. Look at that, That's all a great root structure, that is. That's loving it. This tree is loving it. Loving it like that. Right, let's get my old wire cutters. I'm going to just take some of these longer ones out. They're starting to wrap themselves around the tree, because I don't want that. No one wants that. Well, that can stay. But now what we need to do, I'm pretty happy with that. Get rid of that. Gosh, like a sweatbox in this fucking room. I mean, bloody room. 34 degrees. Oh, we get that. We've got so much mess in the way. And let's just... Don't be afraid. Use your hand. Oh, is that just going to go straight in there? Not entirely, no. Right. So, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to start raking up. And if you've used a good medium, like I have, which is macadamia, lava rock, pumice, and a minute amount of potting compost, and it loved it. It bloody loved it. Well, I don't know what it's going to think after this, but they tell you to repot in the summer, so I'm doing it by the book. All these long ones. Oh, get off. We don't want these nice fibre. Oh, that's a big one. What are you doing? Oh, yeah, he can come off. He can come off. You see him? Yeah, big one. Oh, yeah, look, Gizzy, that might kill the tree. No, not on your Nelly. Not on your Nelly, it won't. He come off. Right, he not doing no good for anyone. Look how long he is. No, we don't want that. Oh, I hope I don't kill it after this. I hope I don't kill it. They're critically endangered as it is, let alone me doing what I'm doing. But we are going through a heat wave. Not that I'm going to be leaving this in the sun tomorrow. It will be hidden. Oh, that's a lot better, that is. See, that is a lot better. That's what I do. I am gonna reuse this compost. No, it's not compost. This compost medium. And we don't want roots in it. They go in the bin. And then what you're left with, like, if there's a few little roots, they're all right because they're just decomposed. But look at that! Look at it! Oh, we'll go like that. Just look at that. It loves it. It loves it. So we are going to be reusing that for this beautiful specimen. So what you do, we'll get you a better view. Out of breath. That's because it's hot. It's the humidity. It's the humidity more than anything, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the humidity. So we got probably a centimetre off that bottom. So if we just scoop that up, so it's got enough on the bottom like that. And we'll see what that looks like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. God, sorry, I just got to wipe the sweat from my nose. It's hot, and I can't put the fan on either because it just mucks with the sound bite. No, not the sound bite. And then what you do is you just put that in like that. See, waste not, want not, you know what I mean? And if you've used a good medium, then you can reuse that medium for next time, can't you? You've got to have a laugh. You've got to have a laugh on a Tuesday evening. But that is looking good. I just hope the research I've done is right and it's going to love it. Now, I always find it better to water before you do a root pot because I cut the roots off a Satsuki azalea once and it was bone dry and it was just ripping them all off. My mate Jason Steely, he was like, yeah, you should have wetted it first, and I didn't say anything at the time, but that's a few years back. But now he was right. He don't watch my channel anymore, so he won't even know we're talking about him. So it'd be alright. He won't go, yeah, I told you that was the way to do it. But look, that is good. See, we're using the same volume of compost, medium, in this tree that it already had, but we've got a wider aspect, but it's the same size, which is good for this tree. Oh God, that looks great. That looks great. I'm so happy. Now, I need to clean my hands. I think we're about there wrapping up, by the way. I think we're there. She's shut all her leaves because she's had enough of the heat, probably. Bless her cotton socks. But that's it. Now that can fit in my tropical tree setup and hopefully grow and grow until I cut it back again and again. Well, if you've enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da for now. Gizzy Green Fingers.